Good day everybody, we got a beautiful question. Foremost we need to have a circle and the circle is inside a rectangle. So we need to draw them. Let me name this as O, P, C and D, and we're expected to find the area of this region. This is given to be as 9 units, this is given to be as 3 units. I'm going to take this as E, F, this point is G. Okay, fine. So clearly you can see that a circle is inside a rectangle and we are expected to find the area of the shaded region. So foremost, this is the solution. What I wish to do is we will draw a line from O to the tangent at H. So there is a tangent here at H. So now this line will make an angle of 90 degree with the tangent. Right, so this is 90 degree. Now if this is theta, this is going to be theta. This is already 90 degrees. So what are we dealing with? Clearly EFA and EHO are congruent triangles. Right, so this would mean the side EF is actually the adjacent side. So EF is going to be, and in this case EH is the adjacent side. So EF will be equal to EH will be equal to 9 units. So if OH is equal to R units, this is going to be 9 units, and by applying Pythagoras, why do we apply Pythagoras? Because OHE is a right angle triangle. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, we get, what do we get? OH squared plus EH squared is equal to OE squared. What is OE? OG is R. OE is going to be R plus 3. So I can write it as 3 plus R whole squared. EH is 9 squared. OH is R squared. So you get R squared plus 9 squared is equal to 9 positive 6R positive R squared can be cancelled, and 81 negative 9 is equal to 6R, therefore 6R is equal to 72, right? So what I can do here is R is equal to 72 divided by 6, so the value of R is going to be 12 units. So we have got that R is equal to 12. Now since EFA and EHO are congruent, this would mean OH is equal to AF is equal to 12 units. So this is going to be 12. Also the hypotenuse, what's hypotenuse? OE. OE will be equal to this AE, hypotenuse, which is going to be what? 3 added with 12. That's going to be 15 units. So this is going to be 15 units. Okay, fine, fair enough. Now what are we to do is we will have to get the area of the triangle. So we have got R. So area of the yellow region is equal to area of the triangle this is 90 degrees. What's a triangle we're talking about? E. I'm going to take it as I here. So EIC. So from the area of the triangle I'm going to take away the area of the semicircle minus area of the semicircle. Okay, so what's the area of the triangle? Half times base. What's a base? 3 plus 12 plus 12, 20. This is 15, or this entire diameter is 24 plus 3, that's going to be 27. 27 height. Now we need to get the height. I don't know this height, right? So I will have to calculate that height. So how are we going to do that? Can you tell me how are we going to do that? Okay, that's simple. What did I say simple? Now this is 90. Watch here. This is 90. This is theta. Now this is 90. This is theta. So two angles are same. Two angles are equal. So naturally this angle at C will be equal to angle at A. So what are we dealing with? We are dealing with similar triangles. Please remember this point. All congruent triangles are similar, but all similar triangles need not be congruent. So I use the word need not be congruent. Right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare. I'm going to, on observation, we see that. So what do we see? We see that EFA and what? EIC are similar triangles. EIC are similar. Now what is the beauty of similar? So this means they will have an aspect ratio. They will have, you can use have or share, whatever word you want. They will have an aspect ratio. Aspect ratio. So how to get that aspect ratio? Now watch here. Now this is theta, this is opposite, this is adjacent. Right? Now what is the total length of adjacent? 3 plus 12, 15 plus 12, 27. And what is this adjacent side? 9. So what is the aspect ratio? Therefore, the aspect ratio, you got to find that out. 27 divided by 9 is equal to 3 units. That's the aspect ratio. That means all the sides are multiplied by 3. Now, I don't know the hypotenuse here, but I know the hypotenuse of this side is 15. So this is going to be 45. I know this 12. Aspect ratio is 3. So this is going to be 36. This side is going to be 36. So clearly I have the area of the triangle here. So what is the area of a triangle? Base 27 times height 36 minus area of the semicircle. That's going to be 1 over 2 times pi. Radius is 12 units. So take that out. So I can take, I'm using this part of the page, which is equal to 1 over 2 I can take out. if I take 1 over 2, in fact 36 can be product multiplied as 12 into 3. So I can take 12 out. If I were to take 12 out, this is going to be 27 into 3. That's going to be one quantity. Minus 1 over 2 is already taken out. Pi is taken out, or I should say pi has to be placed there because pi is not common, but 12 is taken out, so we got our 12 there, right? So this is re-return. Let me rewrite it over here. So this is equal to 12 over 2, 27 times 3 negative pi times 12. This is what we've got, required area. 2 divides us 6 times. 6 into 7 3s are 21, 2, 3 2s are 6, 7, 81 negative 12 times pi. So this is the solution. Now what you can do is you can take the value of pi as 3.14 and get the value. So but I am okay with this. So this would be the required area of the yellow region. So therefore the required area of the yellow region, right, is this. Thank you everybody. This is a beautiful question and enjoy your day.